Ankita's study room, and I am Ankita. Today we will talk about tense.
Tense. The word tense comes from the Latin word tempus or time. Tense denotes the time of a verb. We use verbs to talk about actions and states. Tense shows us when something happened, is happening, or is going to happen. For examples, she goes to school. In the sentence, the verb goes shows that she regularly goes to school. He completed his homework. In this sentence, the verb completed shows that he has already completed his homework. Tense can be shown by changing the spelling of a verb. For example, go, went, gone. Break, broke, broken. There are three main parts of tense. They are present tense, past tense, and future tense.
We will talk about the parts of tense in the next videos. So, for today, this much only. We will meet again with my new video. Till then, stay tuned with me by subscribing my channel, liking my videos, sharing with your friends, and pressing the notification bell. Bye-bye.